Imagine you're playing football in your neighborhood and you actually kick the ball too hard, breaking a neighbor's window. Even though you didn't mean to break the window, your action of kicking the ball too hard caused harm to someone else, in this case, the neighbor's broken window. According to Article 1365 of the Indonesian Civil Code, or ICC, you're required to compensate the neighbor for the damage to their window because your action violated the law and caused harm. This article explicitly states that any act that violates the law and causes harm to others obliges the perpetrator to compensate for that harm. The responsibility to compensate for harm not only applies to intentional acts, but also acts resulting from negligence or recklessness. This is regulated in Article 1366 ICC, which explains that every person is liable for harm caused by both their actions and their negligence or recklessness. Let's say you're driving a car and while texting on your phone, you rear-end another car at a stop sign. Your action of texting while driving was careless and it resulted in a car accident, causing harm to the other driver's vehicle and potentially injuring them. Even though you didn't intend to cause harm, your negligence texting while driving led to the accident. According to Article 1366 ICC, you're still liable for the damages and injuries caused by your careless behavior. Furthermore, Article 1367 ICC emphasizes that a person is not only responsible for harm caused by their own actions, but also for harm arising from the actions of others under their responsibility or goods under their supervision. This indicates that a person's legal responsibility can extend beyond their own actions to encompass the actions of others within their authority or entrusted goods. Suppose you are a parent and your child accidentally damages someone else's property while playing at a friend's house. Because you are responsible for your child's actions, you're also accountable for the damage caused by your child, even though you were not directly involved in the accident. Similarly, if you're entrusted with someone's valuable possessions, like borrowing a friend's laptop, and it gets stolen while under your care, you're responsible for the loss because you were supposed to be looking after it. This illustrates Article 1367 ICC, which extends liability beyond your own actions to include the actions of those you're responsible for or the items under your supervision. In summary, Articles 1365, 1366, and 1367 of the Indonesian Civil Code establish principles of responsibility for unlawful actions and resulting harm.